Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve my slick backs on my natural 4C texture hair. So right here you see me taking down my ponytail. My hair is really dry. It's flaky from the old gel that I had, but it's not really dirty to where I feel like I need to wash my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Denman brush, I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to detangle from the ends of my hair all the way to the top of my hair. Please be mindful that you can achieve this hairstyle on soaking wet hair or damp hair. Sometimes I like to do mine on soaking wet hair, and that's just if I'm in the shower and I'm like washing my hair, and I might just slap some gel in there, brush it, and throw it into a ponytail, and I'm good to go. But when I want my hair like laid to the T, for the most part, and like flat without it being like really humpy or frizzing up in the middle of the day, I like to do it on damp hair, because when I apply my gel and I slick it down, it doesn't curl up as much as it would as if my hair was, like soaking wet. Okay, so now that my hair is all detangled for the most part, I'm going to section my hair, and then I'm going to start from the back, slicking it down all the way until I get to the front part of my hair. Okay, so this Eco Styling Gel that I got from my beauty supply only cost me $11.99. Like, oh my God, I feel like I got a steal. It was $13.99 originally, but it was 20% off. And I think that it's better just to go ahead and just buy it, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, the smaller containers are like $6 or $7. So if you think about it, as much as I use gel on my hair to like do my slick backs or do any type of hairstyle where I need to like have my hair really laid or curly, I just feel like going back to the beauty supply, making more than one trip when every time I run out is kind of just pointless, when I can buy a big container and use it whenever I feel like it for $13. Well, $11. So if you've gotten to this part of the video and you can actually sit and watch this, you are a trooper, because when I was sitting and I was watching this part of the video, I was just like, oh my God, like I was really cringing just to see like the pieces of hair that was constantly coming out, getting back into the brush was really like driving me crazy. I just wanted to jump through the camera so bad and just pin the hair up. Like, what was going through my mind where I just couldn't put the brush down and just fix the pin? Because that was so annoying to watch. So if you can actually get through this part, like, I really salute you. Oh, and I wanted to add that when you're detangling your hair, even like if your hair is dry, try to detangle your hair using your fingers. You don't want to use a comb, because especially if you have like curly or kinky hair, because it's going to cause more breakage on your ends. So if you can, use your hands. So this process that you're seeing is literally the entire process. All you have to do is take your Denman brush, wet it, detangle, slap some gel on it, and brush it down. And yes, it is a workout. Your arms will be on fire. Let me tell you. I had to take a yoga break. I deleted that part out the I deleted that part out the video. It was kind of unnecessary, but yes, my arms was really tired doing this, but I'm kind of used to it. But I'm just going to stop talking now and let you guys finish watching the video. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you like this video or if you want to see more videos, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.